Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing great. Welcome back to the channel. So this video is regarding the sectoral analysis. The video was gonna come last week, but I was waiting for some sort of market confirmation. So these are the different indices, some top indices in the market, different index and different sectors. So one by one, we will discuss each and every sector. I mean, how it can perform in the coming weeks and which sector looks good, so we will discuss that. So first of all, this is Cnx 500, which is Nifty 500. So this is a sector of top 500 stocks in the market. So basically, this shows the way it has closed over here by this candle. This clearly shows that there is some kind of bullish momentum bound to happen in the market. It won't fall so easily. So the broader market is looking very strong. If you look at the weekly chart, look at the weekly chart. It has closed at a all-time high level, which is really great for the market. There was also a speech by Mr. Jerome Powell, who is the chief of the Federal Reserve. तो उन्होंने ये बोला था कि इकोनॉमिक स्टिमुलस शायद यूएस की मार्केट को वो नहीं प्रोवाइड करेंगे, यूएस फेडरल रिजर्व नहीं देगा. बट उससे हुआ क्या, यूएस के मार्केट भी ऊपर आ गए और इंडियन मार्केट्स फ्राइडे को ही ऊपर क्लोज होके गए. तो दैट वाज अ बिग इंडिकेशन दैट वी आर गोइंग टू हेड हायर. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट sector is Cnx Auto. The structure is relatively very weak. Can you see this lower lower highs and lower lows? This is a lower high, again a lower low, lower high, again lower low. So basically this is in a very bad structure. By chance, if this level is taken out 10,400, then it can be considered as a strong structure, or else it can come till here to find support till 9,400. This is the Nifty Energy, this sector. So it is trying to break out of this resistance zone 19,900. It's kind of okay because this momentum okay. जैसा मैंने आपको सिखाया, वाइड रेंज कैंडल होनी चाहिए. यहाँ पे कोई ऐसी वाइड रेंज कैंडल नहीं है. हाँ, हैमर है, बट अब ये मोमेंटम कितना सस्टेन होता है बोलना मुश्किल है. ये लेवल कट होता है 19,100, देन ये सेक्टर वीक हो जाएगा. PSU banks are in a relatively lower high lower low structure, so we will simply avoid this. Nifty Financial, this is CNX Finance or Nifty Financial Service. This comprises of all the financial companies in India apart from private banks. I mean, like, this is a Nifty Finance newly introduced sector, newly introduced index. So this sector is also poised for a very big up move. It has given a good closing as well. It has given a good closing, so this can give a strong rally in the next week. Nifty Finance. Then this sector is Nifty Private Bank. If you can see, it is in a time wise correction. जैसा मैंने आपको निफ्टी बैंक के बारे में बताया था, काइंड ऑफ टाइम वाइज करेक्शन में ही है. जब तक 18,700 के ऊपर एक या दो क्लोज ना दे दे, तब तक इससे बाहर रहना. मतलब एक वाइड रेंज कैंडल इसके ऊपर बना दे तो इसमें एंट्री लेना सही होगा. दिस इज निफ्टी FMCG. यहाँ से जब ये सेक्टर निकला तो अभी एक स्ट्रॉन्ग बुलिश मोमेंटम में है. अब तक कुछ वीकनेस आई नहीं है. तो जैसे जैसे अगर कोई वीकनेस बनेगी, जैसा मतलब ये लेवल लेट्स से यहाँ तक भी मार्केट आ जाएगा तो वो एक रीटेस्ट हो जाएगा. बट लेट्स सी, यहाँ से और स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हुए दिख रहा है. बट इस पर कुछ खास कमेंट करने से थे कि ऑलरेडी बहुत ऊपर आ चुका है. अब यहाँ से ऊपर भी जा सकता है, नीचे भी आ सकता है. तो नो कमेंट्स ऑन दिस. देन द नेक्स्ट अट्रैक्टिव सेक्टर विच आई फाइंड इज निफ्टी मेटल. अब ये निफ्टी मेटल मुझे अच्छा क्यों लग रहा है एज अ सेक्टर? ये जो मैंने बॉक्स बनाया यहाँ पे निकला था वाइड रेंज कैंडल से. देन अगेन एक वर्ल्ड में जब कमोडिटीज हिट हुए अभी रिसेंटली जियो पॉलिटिकल क्राइसिस की वजह से, तो ये निफ्टी मेटल ने भी काफ़ी बड़ी हिट ली. बट ये यहाँ पे इस लेवल पे ज़्यादा देर नीचे नहीं गया, तो रैली नीचे की तरफ सस्टेन नहीं हो पाई, तो वापस ऊपर आ गए. So what I think is, right now there is a lot of pessimism regarding the metal stocks, and the case scenario for metal stocks is, what I see, what I can perceive is, nobody is interested into metals right now. So there is a very less chance that The weaker hands might be positioned in this, very less chance. And if by chance Monday the market propels higher, this can show a brilliant up move, the metal index. So you can watch out for this. At the same time, if this zone 5140 is broken on the downside, then this intermediate trend or this current trend might get violated. And if this is getting broken 4840, then times can change or the trend can change for the whole metal index. So I've given both the levels. I don't talk about only one side move, because these are markets. These are highly dynamic markets. Anything can happen. So I've given you the levels. You can check on your end as well. So this is Nifty Infra. This sector is also poised for a very good up move. I mean, a series of higher highs and higher lows. If this is taken out 4600, then we can see a good up move. And if metals are gonna rally simultaneously, this sector can also give a good rally. Now the sector CNX IT or the Nifty IT sector, it is highly strong in a very high uptrend. Same again, you cannot comment on this if this might show a correction or so, because we never know. I mean, this kind of rallies, people might say that these rallies won't sustain or something will happen. Markets have a different way of operating. यहाँ से भी डबल करा देगा, पता भी नहीं चलेगा, मतलब नेचर है मार्केट का. सो कभी भी डाउट नहीं करना चाहिए रैली को. अगर आप पोजीशनड है आईटी स्टॉक्स में तो होल्ड करिए. मतलब अभी तक तो ऐसे कोई दिक्कत आई नहीं है, कोई स्ट्रॉन्ग रेड कैंडल दिख भी नहीं रही डेली में कि गिर जाएगा आईटी इंडेक्स. दिस इज अ वीक सेक्टर. Stay out of this Nifty Media, a series of lower high and lower low. So as I had mentioned in my previous video that Nifty Mid Cap is much stronger as compared to small cap stocks. So as I told you, buy quality mid cap stocks. Quality, I mean, if you have researched about the balance sheets, if you have read about the company, if you can read the price action easily, and if you want to learn more about price action, please subscribe to my channel and like all the videos. I have given plenty of videos regarding how to study charts, what is basic price action, and basics are important in the market, guys. Nothing else is required. That's it. So the Nifty Mid Cap Index is quite strong. This level 27,800 broken on the upside. It can show a good rally again on the lower side. 26,600 broken. The trend can again take a halt. This is Nifty Small Cap. On the support it took a bounce again. Last time it came back again. Now again on the support it is trying to take a bounce. So there is some sort of bullish momentum, some sort of, but not so confident on the small cap than on the mid cap. This is Nifty Pharma. It's basically taking support around these levels. So it becomes kind of a low risk area where your risk is quite minute, and this sector can also give a good move. This is Nifty Public Sector Enterprises, and this is in a sideways range. So once 3740 is taken out, then we can see. So this is Nifty Realty. This is exactly at a retest zone, but it is in a series of lower high and lower low, somewhat like this level 385. This, can you spot this? This was a support zone. Now, as I had mentioned in my videos, support turns into a resistance. Okay, so once 386 is crossed on the upside and the price sustains and close, then realty index can show a good up move. Okay, so we are basically done with all the indexes. So as I had mentioned, Nifty IT, Nifty FMCG are already very strong. Nifty financials can show a good up move. Even Nifty metals can be an outperformer, and if on the lower side 5150 is broken, then the short term trend might change, but I feel Nifty metals can be a good outperformer in the coming weeks. And the broader market is already strong, showing a strong sentiment, and we as Indians, I feel we should realize that Indian markets perceive and see things much before the US markets, much before. I mean, all the people were fearing regarding Powell's statements that US will do taper and whatnot. I mean, but the way they, but the way Nifty closed at the all-time high level, that too on a weekly closing basis, it is a big deal. So that's what I've told you. Don't look at SGX Nifty. Don't look at anything. Follow the real-time price action, and you will make money. So I hope you like this video, and please share this video with all your friends, because this is a very good informative content and you'll get to learn a lot of things. So that's it, guys. Thank you for everything.